Kabayan Care, I am wishing you more success, more projects, more students, more blessings, and we will be blessing to others po. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, Kabayan Care.
Okay? Ang wish ko po sa Kabayan Care, more years of purpose. Okay? And sana po mas madami pa kami matulungang mga kabayan na gustong mabago ang buhay. Okay?
Wish for Kabayan Care is maybe have more years in guiding and being with the journey for those aspiring nursing assistants and caregivers. And more success.